Iron Man. Fuck. If you are not there, anyone, then fuck up. Shake it, Pushpavati. Hi guys, I'll teach you today how to make a coffee. So let's do coffee today. See, first we need to keep milk to make a hot.
Iron Man. I am Iron Man.
Iron Man.
Sorry.
He will leave a fire down here. He make a hot here. Chatpat. This Johnny Sins Chota Bhai. And then take up 2 cups. If you fuck. Shit, guys. You guys don't do this. If you guys do this, your mommy will kick you on the ass. Then take 2 cups. If you are 3, take 3 cups. If you are 4, take 4 cups. If you are not there, anyone, then fuck up.
Fuck up.
Then you need a coffee powder to make a shit coffee. Then open the cupboard and take some shit of coffee powder and some sugar. This is not sugar dabba.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
Take sugar from a sugar dabba. Open it and open this. Oh shit. Because I can't open. Open it, bro.
I'll be your Spider-Man and Superman and Iron Man, yeah.
ತಿಳ್ಕೊಲೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಬರ್ತೀವಿ. Put some shit of a coffee powder in a cup. If you want strong, put a 2 cup. Sorry, 2 spoon. If you want just normal, put 1. I want fucking strong, guys. So 1 spoon and 1.5 spoon. I need a fucking strong coffee. Then 2 cup of sugar. Don't eat more sugar, guys. Diabetes
Diabetes will come.
Malatia diabetes.
Diabetes mellitus.
Mellitus diabetes. Oh shit. I am a medical student. I don't know a name of a disease. But I can treat it. I don't know the name, but I can treat it. Then pour a milk inside it. Pour a milk inside this.
Oh, okay.
Then shake it, Pushpavati.
Shake it, Pushpavati. Shake it, Pushpavati.
Done. Coffee is done. Then you can have it.
ದೋಸ್ತ್ ಕಾಫಿ ಮಾಡೋದ್ರಾಗ ಕಾಫಿ ಮ್ಯಾಗ ಧ್ಯಾನ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅವ್ನು ಬರೀ ವಿಡಿಯೋ ಮ್ಯಾಗ ಐತಿ ಹೊಲಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಯಾನ ಕಾಫಿ.
करे हेला की क्या था कॉफी. तू बता कैसा था कॉफी.